clipped. Nice looking shot.
He's from Sri Lanka. He opened the innings in the last game. Comes one down. And that's the shot of an opener. Playing with the swing.
Arham.
One.
Gets it through the gap. Nicely cut off. That's beautiful. That's a gorgeous looking extra cover drive. Brings 4.
Runs are available here on this pitch. That was over pitched on that occasion by Zishan. We saw that length and goes right through the line.
Cut off the stumps.
Whether you want to take the fight back to the opposition, you want to still hold your shots on to a little longer for a couple of overs and then see what you can do. But this is, yes, as you said, high risk shot. Been rewarded with a boundary.
Picked up. A good looking shot this is. A little bit fuller, a little bit quicker.
Tell you what, Shavon Daniel has impressed me. Didn't see much of him in the first innings when he got an opportunity with the bat, but today he has been in total control. Wickets falling around him. That 4 takes him to 33 and 26. Been very calculating in his innings.
Going again. Back-to-back sixes.
No, not much turn. The little that there is playing into his hands. He's probably got to think about coming around the wicket and getting that ball going across the left-hander.
Well, I was just about to say he hasn't bowled any wides today. 5 in that first over in the first game. Not a good start. A left-hander. Hold. Better. Not a good outcome, though, because it's a half volley and it's punished.
His contribution in that partnership of 85, 38, scoring at almost 200. And once there's an opportunity to get a boundary, he's not holding back.
Does he get enough of it? He does. What a way to go to a half century. His first in the tournament, and he's brought it up in 33 deliveries, 4 fours and 3 sixes.
They lost 4 wickets very early within the power play, and it's him and Majid who have done the repair work. Partnership now just 8 runs short of 100, and that is really a class innings.
He's got great speed and is completely messed up by the fielder at deep square leg.
And that's the awareness you need. There's a fast bowler operating there. There's a batter who has been in form, playing really well. Easily has been able to clear the field. Why would you run in to get that one? If he was standing around the ropes, it would have been an easy take.
Quick run, direct hit trouble. It's way far away from the stumps and overthrows and misfieldings. And what's going on? Oh my God. Royals are all over the place.
Look at that. The running between the wickets has been really aggressive, and that's why it puts more pressure on the fielder. Throw was not that great, and then the backup from Ali Razak. But then Nathan Edwards, he was fully committed. Excellent effort in the field from him.
He's got fast hands and they've got no idea what's going on in the deep.
It was hit firmly. An awkward bounce in front of Mane. He did his best. He tried to get his body behind it.
He's hitting them hard. He's finding the gaps and he is making Royals pay for their bad bowling lines.
Mid-off was sent back, so he had to bowl fuller. And Shavon Daniel was ready for that. Pierced that gap between long on and deep mid-wicket.
Full toss, put away. Yes, maximum.
It also seems like that they are behind the over rate because there are 5 fielders inside the circle. There's a full toss, not the best delivery to bowl. You can't set a field for that. But there's extra pressure on the bowler. There are 5 fielders inside the circle. And a very set batter on crease.
Catch it is the call. Long on getting under it. Arham and out. So the bowler who's been waiting for the longest time comes in and tells you how to get rid of Shavon. What a knock this was. He has played an innings of a lifetime at this age. 24 for 4. And look at where the score is right now.
And I've never seen a celebration like this from a bowler. He sends the long on back, gets the man. The big wicket of Shavon Daniel. And once the catch is taken, he goes to the batter and congratulates him. Both are happy.
Well, he's been fielding at third man for such a long time. Probably he's forgotten he's not your teammate.